Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to start 29th program. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. This program is also about link tag. How to use link tag. In this program we have to make 6 files. So let's get started. So this is the first file. We'll start with HTML, body tag, HREF tag. Here we'll write the file name which we are going to make in the next file. The name is india.html, and here we will write the name of our file, that is Asia. And now we'll end the a tag, and now we'll end body and HTML tag. So now we'll save it with the name acr.html and in all files, and now we'll copy it and we'll paste in the next file. Now we'll make the new file. Here we will make the necessary changes. Here we will write Gujarat, and here we will write the file name which is India, and now we will save it with the name India and extension HTML and in all files. So now we will make another new file. Here also we will make the necessary changes. Here we will write the name Rajkot, and here we will write the file name which is Gujarat, and now we will save it with the name Gujarat.html and in all files. We'll make once again new file and make the necessary changes. Here we will write programming, and here we will write Rajkot. Now we will save it with the name Rajkot and extension HTML and in all files. Here also we will make the necessary changes. Here we will write name of our channel, and here we will write programming, so we will name it as programming, and in all files. Here also we will make the necessary changes. Here we will write h1 tag, and here we will end the h1 tag. Now we will name it as magic of one click. an extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. Here we will click in Asia, it will show India. It will After we will click India, it will take us to the file Gujarat, and after we will click Gujarat, it will take us to Rajkot, and after clicking Rajkot, it will take to programming, and after clicking programming, it will take us to the final output, which is magic of one click. So this is the final output of linking the files and using a HREF tag, and how to link one file with another file.